Today we proceed with the chapter Jalebis from your book It So Happened. Open it on page number at 63. Open page number 63, Jalebis. Very interesting chapter of your age, for the children of your age. This chapter deals with the child psychology. ठीक है, इसमें हम जो पढ़ने जा रहे हैं, it is related to a boy. The character in this chapter is a boy of your age. Fine. And as the title shows, it is very simple Jalebis. Theme is simple but very important. Fine. It is related to the, if we read the starter, an honest boy is on his way. I would like you to mark the honest boy. An honest boy. See the determiner used with the honest. Fine. Let's recall the determiner here. An honest. The word starts with H, but article taken is an. Fine. And particularly honest boy means itself it is telling that we are going to read about an honest boy. An honest boy is on his way to school, carrying money in his pocket to pay the school fees. But this is the sense of the chapter. Means this chapter is related to the this point that the boy has to submit the school fee. Fine. The sight of crisp syrupy jalebis. Crisp syrupy jalebis, adjective used in the market, excites him. I would like to ask you, can you tell me the subject here in this sentence? Mark the subject. You have done noun phrase. We have done phrases and clauses now. Fine. So very good sentences there. Mark the subject. Who will tell me the subject? The sight of crisp syrupy jalebis in the market excites him. Yes. Try. You have done. What is the subject, Mehak?
The sight of crisp syrupy jalebis.
Yes, very good. And if you see, there is no finite verb in this whole group of words. The sight of crisp syrupy jalebis in the market excites him. What excites him? The sight of. It means which phrase it is? It is subject and it is the phrase. Which phrase? Noun phrase. Yes, very good. Excites him and the coins in his pocket begin to jingle. Now beta, this jingle. If in some of the poetry if we had talked about, there in English there are some sounding words. Onomatopoeia. This is used in poetry. Fine. In your coming classes you will be doing all these poetic devices. Onomatopoeia, these are the sounding words. Jingles. Jingle word itself tells you that making noise. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. है ना? वो अपने आप ही एक म्यूजिक आता है, एक रिदम आता है उसमें. These are called the sounding words. और टिंग टोंग. अब मैंने वर्ड तो टिंग टोंग ही बोला है, लेकिन उसके साथ के आपके दिमाग में क्या आया? डोरबेल, है ना? It gives the sound of doorbell. So use of the sounding words. ऐसे वर्ड्स को हम क्या बोलते हैं? आप ये चीजें साथ साथ नोट करें. After a long debate with himself. Debate. अगर आप डिबेट वर्ड याद करें तो डिबेट क्या होता है कि व्हेन जिसके फॉर भी यूज हो सकते हैं और अगेंस्ट भी हो सकते हैं. जब सम काइंड ऑफ डिबेट इज गोइंग ऑन, है ना, फॉर एंड अगेंस्ट मीन्स देयर इज सम काइंड ऑफ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट इन द माइंड ऑफ द चाइल्ड. बच्चे के माइंड में, बॉय के माइंड में, यहाँ कैरेक्टर के माइंड में क्या चल रहा है? एक कंफ्यूजन चल रहा है, एक डिबेट चल रहा है. आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग डिबेट विद हिमसेल्फ ही यील्ड्स टू द स्वीट टेम्पटेशन. मार्क द वर्ड टेम्पटेशन. टेम्पटेशन क्या होता है? टेम्पटेशन इज सम काइंड ऑफ परसुएडिंग समवन फॉर नेगेटिव. टेम्पटेशन जो होती है ना, ये किसी चीज के लिए इंस्पिरेशन ही हम बोल सकते हैं, क्योंकि इंस्पिरेशन तो पॉजिटिव होती है. ठीक है, टेम्पटेशन होती है हम किसी बुरी बात के लिए जब टेम्प्ट होते हैं, है ना, गलत काम के लिए टेम्प्ट हो. सो ही यील्ड्स टू द मीन्स सरेंडर टू द स्वीट टेम्पटेशन. अगेन स्वीट वर्ड इज यूज्ड बिकॉज इट इज कंसर्न्ड विद द jalebis itself. It happened many years ago. I was in the 5th standard at the government school. Now beta, I is used. It means the author is telling his own story. I is the author here. Government school, Kambelpur, now called Attak. One day I went to school with 4 rupees in my pocket to pay the school fees and the fund. Mark the line. This is the main theme of the chapter, the boy has 4 rupees and he has to submit it for the school fees. When I got there, I found that the teacher who collected the fees, Master Ghulam Muhammad, was on leave, and he notes that the teacher was on leave. The teacher who collected the fees, Master Ghulam Muhammad, was on leave, and so the fees would be collected the next day. You know, the boy is having the money for school fees, and the teacher who has to collect the money, he was absent. All through the day, the coins simply sat in my pocket. Here you will see that the author, he will use, but once school got over, I was outside, they began to speak. Now you will think that how it could be that coins are speaking, है ना? लेकिन पैसा हमेशा बात करता है. Just imagine you are having 500 rupees or you got from your parents or for some purpose, or some kind of temptation is there. काश ये 500 rupees मेरे अपने होते, मैं इसको खर्च करता हूँ, है ना? So money speaks itself, or something is going on in the brain. Actually the boy is talking to himself. All right, coins don't talk. अब ऑथर कह रहे हैं, आप भी सोचोगे कि कॉइन्स तो बातें करते नहीं है. They jingle or go खनक खनक, again sounding word. They make noise, but I am telling you that day they actually spoke. लेकिन मैं सच बता रहा हूँ कि उस दिन वाकई वो बात कर रहे थे. Means वो ये नहीं एक्सेप्ट कर रहा कि मेरा ब्रेन ये बातें कर रहा है, but he, innocence of the child, he says कि coins were talking to me. All right, coins don't talk, they jingle or go खनक खनक. But I am telling you that they actually spoke. One coin said, "What are you thinking about? Those fresh hot jalebis coming out of the kadao in the shop over there." Kadao, we have utensil at our home, है ना, जिसको कढ़ाई बोलते हैं. तो ये big one, it is of bigger size for some halwai or so. So it is called kadao here. Now kadao in the shop over there, they are not coming out for nothing. वो ऐसे बेकार से नहीं निकल रही हैं. Now this is child brain, कि वो फालतू में नहीं है, उनको किसी को खाना है, उसके लिए किसी को स्पेंड करना है. Jalebis are meant to be eaten and only those with money in their pocket can eat them. And money isn't for nothing. अब अपने मान बातें कर रहा है. Coins, actually these are the words of coin here, but this is the child brain again. Money is meant to be spent and only they spend it who like jalebis. और जो जिसको जलेबी पसंद है, that person will definitely spend the money. Look here, you 4 rupees, I said to them, I am a good boy. Mark the line, good boy. The boy himself feels, he is sure that I am a confident है वो. I am a good boy. Don't misguide me or it won't be good for you. मुझे misguide मत करो. He is saying to coins. I get so much at home that I consider even looking at something in the bazaar is a sin. मुझे घर में सब मिलता है. Means I am satisfied whatever my parents feed to me. I am happy with that. I need not to spend the money. आमतौर पर ऐसे सोचा जाता है हम लोगों के साथ भी, है ना? The child who again time and again ask for the money from the parents, उसको अच्छा नहीं मानते ना, पेरेंट्स डांटेंगे, आपको रोज ही पैसे चाहिए. और जो पैसा नहीं मांगता, that is a very good boy. If a child say that I can survive or I can come to school without pocket money, तो हम कहते हैं great, ये कैसे हो सकता है ना? It is not possible. So I am a good boy. Don't misguide me or it won't be good for you. I get so much at home that I consider even looking at something in the bazaar is a sin. Besides, you are my fees and fund money. The child is aware that this money is to be paid as a fee. So, if I spend you today, then how shall I show my face to Master Ghulam? Then how will I face my teacher? Then how shall I show my face to Master Ghulam Muhammad in school tomorrow? After that to Allah Mia at Qiyamah. Now beta Qiyamah, mind the word Qiyamah. In mostly religious books, there is, or particularly if I talk about this Qiyamah, तो in Quran it is mentioned कि क़यामत के दिन सबका हिसाब होगा. Means everything will be justified on that day. पाप और पुण्य का जिसे हम बोलते हैं, है ना, गुड एंड बैड का, उस दिन भगवान जो है या अल्लाह मियाँ जो है वो उसको वैसा ही उसको फल देंगे. मोस्टली यू माइट हैव हर्ड ऑफ दिस, है ना. इन हिंदू कल्चर्स आल्सो स्क्रिप्चर्स देयर इज अ अवतार ऑफ कालिक. कालिक का अवतार मेंशन है कि आने वाले समय में कुछ ऐसा होगा कि गॉड विल अगेन कम टू दिस अर्थ, है ना. सो दैट काइंड ऑफ वी कैन से बिलीफ इज देयर. So Allah Mia at Qiyamah means the child is aware, he is religious minded also, because a child, religious minded child can think of this good and bad. Fine. So if I spend you today, then how shall I show my face to Master Ghulam Muhammad in school tomorrow, and after that to Allah Mia at Qiyamah? How probably don't know it, but when Master Ghulam Muhammad gets angry and makes you stand on the bench. See the role of punishment, the effect of punishment on the child brain. Because for discipline, no doubt you are convinced, but sometimes that strictness work, है ना. कई बार टीचर अगर स्ट्रिक्ट है तो हमें उसका गुड रिजल्ट भी दिखाई देता है. So he is scared of. You probably don't know it, but Master Ghulam Muhammad gets angry and makes you stand on the bench. He simply forgets to let you sit till the last bell rings. फिर उनको भूल ही जाता है. He won't make you sit. So it's best you stop chewing at my ears like this. Let me go home straight. Means यहाँ पे उसकी जो coins की temptation थी वो उसने काम नहीं किया. The coins disliked what I had said so much that all of them began to speak at the same time. Now this is the author. He is telling that there was great noise because all started. जब लगा coins को कि हमारी बात का असर नहीं हो रहा है, तो all started to speak to me. There was such a clamor that passerby in the bazaar stared eyes wide with surprise at me and my pocket. इतना शोर किया, coins ने इतना शोर किया कि आसपास के लोगों का ध्यान भी मेरी तरफ attract हो गया. This is again the child imagination. The coin of those days, the wretched thing. How money can be wretched thing, but he is using because they were tempting him. इस टाइप में क्या कर रहे थे, वो मनी जो था, जो coins थे, वो उसको मिसगाइड कर रहे थे. इसलिए wretched उसने वर्ड यूज किया उसके लिए. Wretched thing made so much more noise too. Finally, in a panic, I grabbed all four of them, held them tight in my fist. मुट्ठी में अच्छे से उसने उसको बंद कर लिया कि शोर बंद करो. And then they were silent. Naturally, the coins, they won't make noise. After taking a few steps, I loosened my grip. कुछ समय के बाद मैंने अपने ग्रिप को फिर उसने लूज किया. I loosened my grip. Immediately, the oldest coin said, "Here we are trying to tell you something for your own good, and you try to strangle us instead." What does the coin says? That he was trying to strangle them. Strangle, you understand? है ना? Then tell me honestly, now don't you feel like eating those hot jalebis? अब देखो फिर एक corner brain का वहां जा पहुंच रहा है jalebis के पास. And then if you do end up spending us for today, won't you get the scholarship money tomorrow? See, now what comes to his mind? That he was going to have scholarship money tomorrow. Sweets with the fees and fees with the scholarship money. End of story. किस्सा खत्म, पैसा हजम. What you are saying isn't right. I replied, but it isn't that wrong either. Listen, stop blabbering and let me think. I am not a common sort of boy. Mark the line. He himself is aware. Again, time and again, he is just reminding himself, I am a good boy. Now, I am not a common sort of boy. मैं एक आम स्टूडेंट नहीं हूँ, आम बच्चा नहीं हूँ. Because, but then these jalebis are not common sort of jalebis. अब comparison ये है कि वो jalebis जो हैं, they are also not common. They are crisp, fresh, and full of sweet syrup. My mouth watered, but I wasn't about to swept away so easily. In school, I was among the most promising students. But I told you that from the character itself. Sometimes the character himself speak about himself, है ना? हम एक character के बारे में एक दूसरे person के मुंह से, दूसरे character के मुंह से, या कभी उसके खुद के मुंह से भी यहाँ पे this boy is telling about himself. Fine, and you are going to write long questions also. We should be careful about those. When you write long question, you need a good description. Now I am among the most promising students, very reliable, responsible students. In the 4th standard exam, I had even won a scholarship of 4 rupees. He was a scholarship holder also. Besides, I came from a particularly well-to-do family, so I enjoyed considerably prestige, means he belonged to a well-reputed family. I had never once been beaten so far. On the contrary, Master Ji had got me to beat the other boys. You know, in olden days, the teachers, they used to punish the child. है ना, कई बार कुछ थप्पड़, some twisting of the ear like that was also there. And sometimes the teacher, when he is not in mood of that to punish the child, he will point at the boy. Go, जाओ उसको थप्पड़ लगा के आओ, जाओ उसको ऐसे करके आओ. Sometimes teacher also take the help. So I am one of those boys. So I enjoyed considerable prestige. I had never once been beaten so far. On the contrary, Master Ji had got me to beat other boys for a child of such status. Means इस सारा उसने status as a student he describes. Master Ji had got me to beat for a child of such status standing there in the middle of the bazaar eating jalebis. Means I am not one of such repute. I can't stand there in the market and eat jalebis. No, it wasn't right, I decided. I clenched the rupayas in my fist and came home. He again was able to overcome the temptation and came home. The coins were so keen on being spent that day, they kept their attempts at persuasion till their voices began to choke. Choke means slowly dying. है ना, जब तक उनका सांस नहीं बंद हो गया, जब तक उनका चिल्लाना बंद नहीं हो गया, they were crying. When I reached home, sat on the bed, they began to speak. I went inside to have lunch. They began to shriek again, crying loudly. है ना, तो वो मतलब चीखते चिल्लाते रहे. They go on crying. I went inside to have lunch. They began to shriek. Thoroughly fed up, I rushed out of the house, barefoot, and ran towards the bazaar. अब यहाँ पे surrender है. Means now he was not able to control the coins, and he ran to bazaar. Terrified I was, but luckily I told the halwai to weigh a whole rupee worth of jalebis. पूरे मैंने मनी से उसके लिए a whole rupee worth jalebis उससे ली. His astonished look seemed to be asking where I had the handcraft in which I would carry all those jalebis. इतनी ज्यादा थी because in olden times, you know, जिसको हम लोग डूना बोलते है ना, a bowl made of leaves that was used to give something to the eatable to the other person. अब ये क्वांटिटी इतनी ज्यादा थी कि उसके लिए मेरे पास कुछ भी नहीं था. So those were inexpensive times. 1 rupee fetched more than 20 rupees does nowadays. अब 20 को भी और मल्टीप्लाई कर ले, जबकि ये स्टोरी रिटर्न है. It was worth then you can say 50 or 100 rupees. The halwai opened up a whole newspaper and heaped a pile of jalebis on it. Now what did the halwai did? He just gave the jalebis to the author on a piece of paper. So beta, this is the first part of the chapter, and we will proceed with the next part next week.